Hello and welcome to part 3 of our tour of the Lake District. We spent our last week doing a bunch of activities, starting with one of Rickenhouse's day packages, which included go-karting, quad biking, archery, an off-road experience and air rifle shooting.
Good on them. I do say so myself. You know what you're doing. There's my hat! There we go, nice one. This is quality. That was so good.
Yeah. As long as it's down, it's not going.
are at the smallest of the 16 bodies of water, Brotherswater.
I reckon you could easily walk around this in like an hour, if that. Alright, and this is number 14, Thirlmere. We're cheating a little bit. We're sort of filming from a bit of a viewpoint. So with the timings that we have, we need to be somewhere tonight and we don't really have time to sort of scout this one out as much. So I think it's going to be another time, but it looks really nice. The setting's beautiful, as you can see from the drone shots. I just wish you could pick it up on this camera, but it's a beautiful sunny day and let's hope the weather holds out because tomorrow we're doing that Via Ferrata Xtreme. I hope I pronounced that right.
Here he comes.
How was that first bit for you?
Good fun.
So high. There's some bits you've got like really like reach and like stretch for like the next bit to like clip onto or whatever. It's good, but crikey.
Owen, you're the only waver so far.
Oh no, I've got to do it now.
Everyone's got to do it now.
Like maternal breathing going on there. Practicing panting. How are we doing down there? Are the Tweedles still with us?
How did you find the net?
It was alright. Why are you that close to my face? Jesus. We then made our way to Air Force Waterfall. The next lake we visited was Grasmere, and this was the last shot we filmed before our drone crashed.
Oh my god. So Tash spotted it, I don't know how. We were looking too high and Tash saw it on just one of those low branches right there. And obviously it's quite small and looking at it and the colour of it is quite light and it was really hard to spot. But yeah, we ended up just chucking sticks at it before we finally got it to come down. Oh my god.
Yeah, we're about to walk away as well.
We were literally about to walk away.
And I was like, there it is.
I was like, instead of dwelling on it, my sort of personality is alright, let's just go. We'll buy a new one, it's fine. And that was, you know, I sort of accepted it, but Tash found it. And that means, yeah, we don't have to lose out on whatever this is, 500 quid.
Yeah, he's a little bit battered, but hopefully still works.
Yeah, I'm going to try it now. I don't know what happened. It just flew away on its own. It just It was like this, and all of a sudden it started veering that way, like on its own, and it just went slam straight into the tree. Not nice, but right, I'm gonna see if it works.
Next up was axe throwing.
Good. Nice. Harder. Oh. There we go. Sure, you'll be alright. See?
The final lake was Rydal Water, but we also visited the caves there.
Alright, that is our Lake District trip. So what, we've gone for just over 3 weeks?
Yeah.
So we were supposed to go for a month, but we had to cut it short. You'll see why, I suppose, in a future video. But yeah, we're off to Cornwall next, so really looking forward to that.
Yeah, definitely. Let us know in the comments down below if there's anywhere you think we should visit.
Yeah, so we sort of plan on touring all of Cornwall. We're going to check out all the beaches because we want to learn to surf like properly. So we're going to spend the entire summer just learning to surf. So obviously we'll document that. Just because there has been, well, this interruption, like I said, you'll see, I haven't been able to get videos out on a weekly basis, but when we go to Cornwall, they're definitely going to be a lot more regular. I hope you liked this video. The Via Ferrata Xtreme was amazing, as high as it was. But yeah, obviously we managed to visit all 16 of the major bodies of water in the Lake District, which was really cool. That's something I wanted to do. We're definitely going to have to go back because there's stuff, like all the other like mountains that we haven't climbed, etc.
Yeah.
We only did the big one, or the biggest one. But yeah, this definitely. So when we go up to Scotland next year, maybe we'll do a little detour, stop off in the Lake District, do a couple of walks.
Yeah, definitely.
All right. See you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.